daughter scored 1570 points on the SAT. That day, my husband took her to the water park. Later in the evening, she called me at work. She said my husband had received a call from a woman on their way home and dropped her off at a highway intersection. I told her to get off the highway quickly, but as soon as I finished speaking, I heard a loud crash. My daughter had been hit by a truck. At the hospital, the doctor said she had suffered a severe head injury, and only Dr. Stewart, the vice president of Center Hospital, could perform the surgery. Dr. Stewart is my